highlights of last year was the trip to Llano for the Texas Stoll Roundup. While I was there, I met Luke, aka Scallywag from the Backcountry Pilot Forum. We were fast friends and decided to go out in his 59 Cessna Skylane tailwheel conversion to shoot some video footage at a favorite local side country spot.
I think we're ready. Let's roll.
Alright, fire up.
Black and white and pink, blades blue that lay between the words I think on a page. I was getting to send you. I couldn't tell that to bring my heart the way I wanted when I started writing this letter to you. If I could, you know, I would just hold your hand and you'd understand. I'm the man who loves you.
After bouncing around in the hot afternoon skies, the waterfall felt like some Shangri-La, a temporary paradise only landable during the drier months, as the strip is normally flooded by the Colorado River. Birds were thermaling, fish were rising just feet from the riverbank. Honestly, I'd have preferred to camp here rather than return to my hotel room for the evening. Luke's no stranger to flying in the hot, bumpy skies of West Texas, so he fired up his machine to go join in the fun with those birds while I filmed.
Alright, here we go.
We packed up the Skylane and headed back to Llano Airport to hang it up for the afternoon, just as I caught one last glimpse of the waterfall, an ephemeral beauty that's not exactly backcountry, but just remote enough to feel like it.